This kind of this operation that we really provided enough evidence that the Chinese government is really carrying out illegal marine scientific research within our own exclusive economic zone, it basically strengthens the possibility that the drones that we were able to monitor in different parts of the country really came from the Chinese government, since they are the ones who never really hesitate to violate the UNCLOS and to disrespect our sovereign rights within our own exclusive economic zone. Sabi ng piloto sa atin, no, at ang Coast Guard vessel, BRP Teresa Magmanua, hindi na sila nag-responde when they were challenged. No? Ang ginawa na lang talaga nila is they focus their attention and energy in retrieving all those equipment that they have deployed, particularly yung yellow submersible equipment na yon, and also the submersible research vessel as well.